Ever fought with slow vector searches that crash during peak load? We've all been there. Embedding models, leaking memory, pinecone indexes buckling under hybrid queries, and PG vector configs that feel like black magic. This pack crushes those pains with production grade pinecone PG vector integration patterns, 95% plus recall, embedding optimization, hybrid search blueprints mixing keyword and vector signals, and self healing index maintenance. Whether you're a ML engineer drowning in face configs, a data architect battling HNSW trees, or a platform engineer juggling ANN benchmarks, we've got your rescue raft. Stop debugging search, build the future. Here's what's inside the Vector Search Pack: data preparation with semantic chunking and dimensionality reduction, embedding pipelines using Hugging Face transformers optimized for recall, pinecone/PG vector adapter layers with dynamic sharding, hybrid search routers blending BM25 and cosine similarity, automated index rebalancing with drift detection. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool chain, it's your vector search superhighway. Installing the vector search pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add vector search pack. That's it. You get the full workflow: data prep modules, embedding optimizers, hybrid search frameworks. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No config needed. Your AI assistant now speaks ANN, knows HNSW tuning secrets, and can debug recall issues mid conversation. No coffee breaks required. Just ship faster vector systems while sipping your espresso.